Yo, DJ, cue the mic.
This is Daily 17 from Dominica, and you should be listening to Cue the Mic with Omarique on Tropixx 105.5 FM.
Please, don't play my music on no boss. Watch where you playing my music. Please be advised, it's XXXX rated. Run my sexy cruise. I know they don't like this one.
Time for a little bit of Bouyon.
Too nasty. Martinique, St. Lucia,
Kenny G.
yeah.
What you have to tell them?
My heart, my vex, my heart. I want to. I told heart, baby, the vex. Heart, baby, I want to vex. I want to.
Kenny G. Slime Hoist, what you have to tell them?
Wow, rhythm up, Zavo.
Shout out to Zavo one time.
Wow, I want to live my life like a Muslim. Wow, 7 wives, Ben Laden style. I want to live my life like a Muslim. Wow, 7 wives, Ben Laden style. No, the girl them love to know. The girl them love to know. The girl them love to know.
Slime Hoist.
The girl them love to know. The girl them love to know. The girl them love to know.
Whoa! Nice. That is it. Hey. What? Big up Jackie. Big up the youth. Use your tongue, girl. I said it down. I tell you. Use your tongue. Oh, I said it down, girl. Use your tongue.
Nice.
I said it down.
Enguada G.
Use your tongue.
Tell them no.
Your tongue have a blessing. So I would get in a blessing. Your tongue have a blessing. So I would get in a blessing. Baby, I love it all you lick my dick.
Baby.
Lick my dick. Lick my dick. I like it all you lick my dick. That is lick my dick. Baby, lick my dick. Oh, Charlie, I tell you.
Bring me home with you. Tell them Guada G.
They must want things. Baby. I tell you. Bring me home with you. Oh. Bring me home with you. Oh. Baby, bring me home. So I can make you ring just like a telephone. Show you up like a dog biting a bone. Open up so I can start to make you moan. Tell you like styrofoam, I tell you. They must want it. Baby.
Yo, DJ, cue the mic.
Bring me home with you. Oh. Bring me home with you. Oh. Baby, bring me home. So I can make you ring just like a telephone. Show you up like a dog biting a bone. Open up so I can start to make you moan. Tell you like styrofoam, I tell you. Bring me home with you. Oh, that is it. Bring me home with you. Oh, I tell you. Bring me up, let me show you what I can do. It's me and you, so you know what you gonna do. You play with me, so baby I can put it on you. You want to drive me crazy, but you be single. Yeah. Bring me home with you. Oh, bring me home with you. Oh, that is it. Ready for Freddy again. There's sharks in the water. Freddy, I was up. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you
Pop that body. I shake that booty.
I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I shake your. That is it. Ready for Freddy again.
Javier,
Shots in the water.
I hear you listening.
Freddy.
Shut up, my boy Javier one time.
I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty.
I shift your body on the side, and I inside, and I inside. Girl, I shift your body on the side, and I inside, and I inside.
Girl, I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty. I tell you pop that body, and shake that booty.
If you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick.
Doctor. 2025. Japonais. Going fast and we're going hard. Hard. Let you know I was going to bed. Never. Go fast or go. Go fast. From my common guada, I must pull us a brand new ride. From my common guada, I must pull us a brand new bike. From my common guada, I must pull us a brand new chain. From my common guada, I must pull us a brand new thing. I tell you, no for them they hating this thing. No for them they grudging this thing. No for them they hating this thing. No for them they grudging this thing. No for them they hating this thing. No for them they grudging this thing. No for them they hating this thing. Wow, I tell you, if you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick. Boy, if you stick, unstick. Si vous bloquez, débloquez. Si vous bloquez, débloquez. Si vous bloquez, débloquez. They checking now we just as and we don't have this in popping. They checking now we just come and them young man in charge. We young but we large. And if you think we gonna stick, my boy, you must be mad. I tell you, if you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick. If you stick, unstick, boy. If you stick, unstick. Si vous bloquez, débloquez. Si vous bloquez, débloquez. Si vous bloquez, débloquez.
Shout out to Salop Sunday crew. She tell me to translate. She tell me to translate.
Jouer, qu'un tour à bas fait.
Tata, mais il veut beaucoup. Parce que ça catch. Tata, mais il veut beaucoup. Parce que ça catch.
Gotta say shout out to my Salop Sunday crew. C4, Tamon, Strozy. Shout out the whole gang one time. Speed, I need speed. Speed, I need speed. Speed, I need speed. Here it now. Whoever produced this beat, shout out to y'all. The Henny have a pregnant. Now your daughter have my name as a pendant. I say the Henny have a pregnant. Now your daughter have my name as a pendant. Now say it. Oh.
Parce que ça catige lundi pour qu'elle vienne dormir jusqu'au mercredi. Y'aura pas de répit. Et pour le jeudi, ou vite vendredi, ça se donne toute l'année. Pour qu'elle était pour tout.
We got a new BRG Hollywood featuring Guada G. what the hell? Say what the hell?
What the hell?
Before I drop a song, you wasn't calling me. Don't call my telly, say she want me. What the hell? So I
BRG Hollywood featuring Guada G with What the Hell, produced by Javo.
What the hell? 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 What the hell?
Shout out to Super one time.
Before I drop a song, you wasn't calling me. Don't call my telly, say she want me. What the hell? So I like a jelly, say she want Holly to give out. She feel it in her belly. We all know that man bad, but woman more deadly.
What the hell? 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 What the hell?
Brand new track.
I'm telling you, if you move it,
Brand new track, people.
Wow, wow. If you move it, we will move it fast. Alright. If you move it speed, we will move it fast. If you move it speed, we will move it fast. If you move it speed, boy, we going to move it fast. If you move it speed, we gon' move it fast. Bend it over, bend it over. Baby, tie your legs. Baby, take your time. When you move your waist, when you throw it back, girl, I have to brace. Work, girl, I need to work, yeah, work, girl, we have to work, girl, I need to, yeah, work, that's work, take your time, my girl. One time from me, boy, you man, don't cut no very man, to Bakatan. One time from father, that is it, take your time, my girl. Boy, you man, I move it. Wow, boy. I telling you, if you move with speed, we move it with fast. Wow.
Tell them again.
If you move with speed, we will move with fast. Alright. If you move with speed, we will move with fast. If you move with speed, we will move with fast. If you move with speed, boy, we going to move with fast. If you move with speed, we gon' move with fast. Bend it over, bend it over. Baby, tie your legs. Baby, take your time. When you move your waist, when you throw it back, girl, I have to brace. Wow! Yeah, boy, we have to. I'm telling you, if you move with speed, we move it fast. Wow! If you move with speed, we will move it fast. Alright. If you move with speed, we will move it fast. If you move with speed, we will move it fast. If you move with speed, boy, we going to move it fast. If you move with speed, we gon' move it fast. Bend it over, bend it over. Baby, tie your legs. Baby, take your time. When you move your waist, when you throw it back, girl, I have to brace. Work, girl, I need to work, yeah, work, girl, we have to work, girl, I need to, yeah, work, that's it, take your time, my girl. One time from me, boy, you
People, this is a new song coming from Manny 2 Time, PBE Kofi, and J-Land 23.
I move it fast, so baby, know your place, wow, I move it fast, baby, fast, so baby, know your place, wow, I say it fast, just know your place, I say it fast, baby, wow, I say it fast, baby, that's the business, wow, boy, I telling you, if you move with speed, we move it with fast. Wow. If you move with speed, we will move with fast. If you move with speed, we will move with fast. If you move
I gotta play BRG Hollywood song one more time. Special request coming from Super. Super say y'all have to listen to the whole song.
Drop a song, you wasn't calling me. Don't call my telly, say she want me. What the hell? So I like a jelly. Say she want Holly to give out. She feel it in her belly. We all know that man bad, but woman more deadly. What the hell? 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 Baby. What the hell? Don't stress me. What the hell? Stop this shit. What the hell? Stop this shit. What the hell? Wanna carry? What a CJ.
What a G.
What the hell? You want to? You have a smell? What the hell? You want to? Can you don't shave your? What the hell? You don't tie baby like a well? What the hell? You try to trap you with your spell? What the hell? What the hell? Come on, man. What the hell? Hollywood, you answer that shit in your belly. Come and slip up, baby, my spaghetti. The way she play with my I call her Balotelli. Whoa, what the hell?
Man say you call her Balotelli, no.
And she done see me in her dreams just like Freddy. When I was low,
If you know, you know.
it wasn't ready.
A time to drink a vodka.
Coming back steady.
If I drop a song, you wasn't calling me. Don't call my telly, say she want me. She want like a jelly. Say she want Holly to give out. She feel it in her belly. We all know that man bad, but woman more deadly.
I drink my rum, I had my fun. The jam soon done and now I want to come. I drink my rum, I had my fun. The jam soon done and now I want to come. I under my body, I feeling horny.
Under my body, baby.
I feeling horny. Look, I under my body, I feeling horny. Girl, I under my body. You looking good, you smelling good, baby. Let me fuck your crap, baby. Pass it on that, baby. Long and natural, baby. Say you like it nice, baby. Say you like it sweet, baby. When I finish with that, I guarantee you pass it back. Just send it back. Just send it back, just send it back. And don't look back. And when I pass my tongue on that, you'll catch a heart attack. Just send it back, just send it back, just send it back.
I'ma play something for the ladies now.
I drink.
This one here for the ladies. You want my na-na-na, give me na-na-na, you want na-na-na. Hear it now, people.
Yeah, you always talking about my man. If you only know that, all woman.
Rhythm up, Zabo.
What you mean that is all woman? You know what? Tell me about my man. Get a man from you all the time. He can be mine. Easy. I can take your man from you. Never give him back.
They gave her a attack, oh Lord.
Easy. You want my money, give him the money. You want my money, so I give him the money. You want my money, not your money. You want my money, well, back. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Like when the Udina, why push you Udina? Push, tell me go deeper in that, baby. When the Udina, why push you Udina? Hear that now?
Why is the word? What would you do? It doesn't hear, man. Blood, freeze. She like when they why push more she tell me go deeper in that baby when they why push it more she tell me go deeper in that when I start to lick that and I start to eat everything you do pertain to me can a friend she
She ringing my name.
Hear the mix. Hear the mix.
Friend they watching me, and I see the gang they really and say she like it when more push it. Oh, she tell me go deeper in that. When it more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. Go deeper in it. Hold her tight. Make her ball, make her crawl. When I dip in it, call me the psychologist. Lash her go and down the feet. She like it when they more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. When they more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. I am a 73rd.
We got our first money pull up. Shout out Super Kid one time.
What's the word?
Money.
Yeah, man. Loyalty game.
Shout out.
She like when they more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. When they more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. When I start to lick, I start to eat.
Brand new, just in time. Respect and Dominic Boy, mad. She said she like calling.
She like it when more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that. When they more push it. More she tell me go deeper in that.
Woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman want me come and knock it. Time to push my key inside, so baby come and lock it. You know it's time to not stop calling my phone.
Don't call my
yeah,
phone.
Man, I'm still riding at my home. I give it to her, no you can't leave me alone. I give it to her, no she can't leave me alone. She can't leave me alone. Girl stop calling.
Wait there.
What's the time?
Because
What's the time?
after 12:30. Hold on there.
What's the time?
Let me try to do a little magic there.
Oh, no, I pick up the whole team. Javo. What's the time? Just in time. Respect St. Dominica boy, you mad? She said she like Holly, but she fit to take the wood. Your woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman says she
Never mind, walk it in. Hold on. I can make something work.
But she says she want me come and knock it. You know it's time to knock it. Woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman want me come and knock it. Time to put my key inside, so baby come and knock it. You know it's time to get some call in my phone. You have your man,
there it is,
riding at my home. I give it to her, no you can't leave me alone.
Told you what to work.
No, she can't leave me alone. She can't leave me alone. Get a call in my phone. You have a man and she's riding at my home. I give it to you, no you can't leave me alone. I give it to her, no she can't leave me alone. She can't leave me alone. I have plenty pain, don't need to pop no pill. I just give it wood and you pay in the bill. Don't work construction, but it's time to drill. Turn the flash on baby, time to make a feel. A woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman on my pocket rocket. Your woman says she want me to come knock it. I not travel, but she says she want me come and knock it. You know it's time to grind.
Cause after 12:30,
time to grind.
Tell them Hollywood.
Time to grind. No time to whine. Only have time to grind. No time to whine, baby. Only have time to grind, baby. That is it. Time to grind.
Wow! Boy!
Time to grind.
I tell you, if you move it speed, we move it fast. If you move it speed,
I gotta play one more time. After this, I'm gone. Gotta take a little break.
if you move it speed, we will move it fast. If you move it speed, what we going to move it fast?
feeling creative. Hold on.
Oh, Floyd, if you got the whole team. Javo! What's the time? 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 After 12:30, we can get dirty. 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 It's time to grind. It's time to grind, baby. Oh, wow. Oh, time to grind, baby. Time to grind, baby. You so fine, baby.
I telling you, if you move with speed, we move with pace. Wow. If you move with speed, we will move with pace. Alright. If you move with speed, we will move with pace.
If you move with speed, we gonna move with pace.
If you move with speed, boy, we going to move with pace. If you move with speed, we gonna move with pace. Bend it over, bend it over. Bend it on your legs. Bend it, take your time. When you move your waist, when you throw it back, girl, I have to brace. Work, girl, I need to work, girl, we have to work, girl, I need to work, I move with pace, so baby, know your place. Wow,
People,
I move with pace.
that comes from PVE Kofi, Manny 2 times, and J-Land 23. They call this one pace. If you move with speed, I will move with pace. Cause so when steady does win the race. Lay with a bouyon for your system there. But people, I gotta take a little break. Gotta play my commercials.
We will move with pace.
This is PJM1, Tropixx 105.5 FM, a station of the Phillipsburg Broadcasting Network.